Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Salma Sasadia with NPM 2341204 from Accounting Class 23A, Course Environmental Accounting. Here I will explain the material about basic concept of environmental accounting. Environmental accounting is a branch of accounting that focuses on identifying, measuring, and reporting the costs and benefits related to a company's environmental activities. In the modern era, companies are not only expected to generate profit but also to be responsible for the environmental impact of their operation. Issues such as pollution, climate change, and the exploitation of natural resources have encouraged the development of environmental accounting as a tool to improve corporate transparency and accountability toward the environment. Definition of environmental accounting. Environmental accounting can be defined as the process of identifying, measuring, recording, and reporting information related to environmental costs and impact caused by a company activities. The information produced is not only financial data but also includes non-financial information such as emotion level, waste, and the use of natural resources. Environmental accounting aims to provide a more complete picture of a company performance, especially in the environmental aspect, so it can be used as a basis for decision making by management and external parties. Objective of environmental accounting. The main objective of environmental accounting is to improve company transparency and manage environmental impact caused by its operation. In addition, it helps management make better and more sustainable decisions, especially in using resources and manage waste. With environmental accounting, companies can identify hidden environmental costs, improve operational efficiency, and ensure compliance with environmental regulation and standard. Scope of environmental accounting. The scope of environmental accounting includes two main aspects: internal and external environmental accounting. Internal environmental accounting is used by management for cost control, evaluation of environmental performance, and strategic decision making. Meanwhile, external environmental accounting is intended for external parties such as investors, governments, and the public, usually present in sustainability reports or environmental disclosure in annual reports. These two aspects complement each other in providing comprehensive information about a company's environmental performance. Basic concept of environmental accounting. The basic concept of environmental accounting includes several important aspects: environmental cost, environmental benefit, recognition and measurements, and information disclosure. Environmental costs are costs that arise from activities that impact the environment, such as waste treatment and pollution prevention costs. Environmental benefits are advantage gains by the company from good environmental management, such as energy efficiency, and improve company image. In addition, these costs and benefits must be properly recognized and measured so they can be present in financial statement. Finally, companies also need to disclose information related to environmental activities transparently to stakeholders. Principles of environmental accounting. Environmental accounting is based on several important principles that guide its application. The responsibility principles means the companies must be responsible for the environmental impact they cause. The transparency principle requires a company to share information openly and honestly with stakeholders. The sustainability principles emphasizes the importance of balancing economic, social, and environmental aspects in the long term. In addition, the prudence principle in it so companies do not ignore potential environmental risks that may affect the future. Importance of environmental accounting. Environmental accounting has a very important role in supporting the sustainability for companies in the modern era. By applying environmental accounting, companies can reduce risks related to pollution and environmental damage while also improving reputation and public trust. In addition, environmental accounting helps companies increase the efficiency of resource use and support sustainable development. Therefore, environmental accounting is not only a necessity but also a competitive advantage for companies. Challenge in implementing environmental accounting. Although it has many benefits, the implementation of environmental accounting still faces several challenges. One main challenge is the difficulty in measuring environmental impact accurately, especially non-financial aspects. In addition, there are still limited standards and regulations that clearly regulate environmental reporting. Lack of awareness and commitment from company management also becomes a barrier. Therefore, support from various parties, including governments and society, is needed to encourage better implementation of environmental accounting. Examples of environmental accounting implementation. For example, a manufacturing company can record waste treatment costs as part of production costs that must be calculated specially. In addition, the company can invest in environmentally friendly technology to reduce emission and waste. Information about this effort is then reported in a sustainability report as a form of corporate social responsibility. Therefore, the implementation of environmental accounting affects not only financial aspects but also the company image and long-term sustainability. That's all I can say about basic concept of environmental accounting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.